Quentin here with Nefarious Customs. Just wanted to give you a quick little go around of the QuickTrick alignment system. We use this thing all the time, whether it's, you know, setting up a factory suspension system that's just bolt on, or if we're building something completely custom. I mean, it works on everything. I mean, Jeeps, rat rods, pre-runners, classic cars. We use it on at least a weekly basis, whether, like I said, we're setting up a custom suspension system or just trying to get a car to drive straight down the road. But we love it and can't get enough of it.
Three things you gotta have for track days. You need a race car, you need extra tires probably, and QuickTrick.
Massive overhaul of the Miata is almost complete. We've got the new engine in and a new steering rack as well. And whenever you change the steering rack, you absolutely want to get an alignment. So we are going to use the QuickTrick alignment system in order to check the toe. And as you can see, we are really far off on the toe. So first things first, we've got the steering wheel locked on the inside in dead center, and now we're going to adjust the toe. Here is the new steering rack, and on the Miata, you adjust the toe by turning the tie rod right here. We've got it exactly where we want it to be at 0 toe in the front. It does take a little bit of trial and error to get exactly where you want it to be while turning the tie rods, but we've got it, and that is how you use the QuickTrick alignment system.
Hi, I'm Chris Wyndham, driver of the Hayward Motorsports number 19. Just wanted to give a quick shout out and thanks to QuickTrick Alignment for coming on as associate sponsor this year. This is a very easy and simple do-it-yourself alignment tool. You can do it at home. We even have it on our sprint car right now. So go to quicktrickalignment.com to check them out.
I first started using QuickTrick when I started racing this car. I'd been changing a lot of suspension components, so I needed to do alignments quite frequently. It was really nice to be able to do that at home or at the track, and I've used it, I can't even remember how many times now, and I've been using it for customer cars as well. It's been an indispensable tool to have.
Hi there, I'm NASCAR driver JJ Ailey for MBM Motorsports. Wanted to just take a few minutes here and thank QuickTrick Alignment Tools for coming on board as associate sponsor. It is a top-notch piece of equipment.
Side lane, here we go, 300 miles at Talladega.
And probably the most accurate piece of tool that you can get on the market today.
Junior backing up now. Yeah, let's give some love to the 66. JJ Ailey is towing the field at Talladega.
That's what I was saying. Like, we got to get back up there. And then Noah, he's trying to bob and weave a little bit. And
JJ and the Carl Long Express out front there.
Here at Good Life Mid-Ohio with the 2011 WRX. They're running a time attack. We just put some new shocks in the car, so we got our QuickTrick timing kit hooked up so we can check the alignment, make sure everything's good. We noticed it was towed out quite a bit, so with some adjustments, we're able to check the toe. We can also use our level here and check the camber. And this kit's really great because it's relatively inexpensive, it's easy to use, and it helps us out a lot at the track.
This is my QuickTrick alignment tool. I use this thing on an average of twice a week on customers' rides. I work on side-by-sides for a living. Used to have to fight doing alignments and wasn't 100% accurate. I've had this thing maybe a year now. It's paid for itself tenfolds. If you want machines or your personal machine, or you do this for a living, you want 100% accuracy, this is the only way to go. Their customer service is great, above and beyond anybody. You just can't go wrong. QuickTrick Alignment.
What's going on, guys? It's Thick Rig Drifting here, and I just wanted to let you know about the QuickTrick Alignment Kit. It's a super awesome system that makes it very easy to adjust your car's alignment on the fly, whether you're at the track or at home. I recently had experience with this at Grid Life Midwest after a control arm assembly swap, and it made the car better than ever, and I was super happy with it, and I couldn't be more stoked with how easy this product is to work with.
Hey everybody, this is Maddox Mullinax from Mullinax Racing, and I have a very special announcement. Today, I'd like to welcome aboard a brand new partner of ours called QuickTrick Alignment, your DIY alignment tool for every home mechanic and shop monkey. Now, QuickTrick Alignment was started by a guy named Gary Gand right here in Pelham, Alabama. They're a hometown company, and that's why I'm so happy to have them aboard. You can visit it at quicktrickalignment.com. Again, these are made right here in Pelham, Alabama, and we're very thankful. I just wanted to tell you how much I've enjoyed my new tool. This is a front-end alignment tool. You can put it on almost anything. I got it set up right here. It can tell you your caster, your camber, and your toe with just one tool. It takes minutes to set up, and look at that. That's going to stay on that tire for you while you do it. We put it on half the cars that we have in our shop already in the last week, and it's found multiple problems. And you can put it on almost anything with a front-end tire. Thank you. Go get it.